The song you hear playing in the background is a beautiful track called KarigaMombe Pasi. It was played by a Mbira teacher here on YouTube who goes by the alias Mbira Oracle. Good chap. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play the same track but a different part of the same track. Now, this may sound a bit like a tragic disaster only because our instruments have got slightly different voices. However, it should be fine as I've retuned mine. My only worry at this point is what we call the synchronization, as in it might come up a bit slower due to recording again, but we'll give it a try. But for those of you who've never seen a Mbira duet, this is one live on YouTube, so here goes. Oh, I'm lost, but anyway, that's how it goes. Just a simple demo. Hope you enjoy.